practicing for 15 years, and something that I have always found difficult to overcome was my frustration about having exact and precise results. As dentists, we tend to get a little bit of a control freak, so we like to have everything in control. We like to have gingival margins in control, shapes, contacts, everything that needs to be perfect. And very often we feel that we are not in control of the whole situation because we have to control our work and also all of the lab parts. And here I finally could see the integration between the planning in the patient's face, taking into account the lab work. And I still am not practicing DSD because I'm just doing like my first residency, but I hope that it will change the way I will be able to practice dentistry in the future.